Okay. So ngayon naman, punta na tayo sa typecasting. So basically, ano nga ba ang typecasting? So, typecasting is the process of converting a value from one data type to another. In C Sharp, there are two main types of typecasting. Okay, so basically ito, implicit casting and explicit. So basically ito, this happens when the conversion is safe and no data is lost. For example, converting an int to a float. So, ang implicit casting basically, iyaan mo siya, nilipat mo siya from smaller to larger value, no? And while sa explicit naman, baliktad, vice versa. So basically, if you want a larger number to smaller number. Okay, so basically, ito yung sa implicit. No? So basically, ang ginawa lang, ito, int, then yung pinalitan lang itong value na to, tsaka to, into my double, no? Then equal my integer. Kasi int is equal to my int, and then equal to 50. So bali, ito yung value niya. Then nilagay lang po dito sa my int. No? And then, console write line. Yan. So, bali ang lumabas, 250. No? And then, while sa explicit casting naman, basically manual, pababa. If you want a larger number into a smaller. Uh, ayan. So, basically, ang ginawa, my double. Then, pinalitan lang dito sa may baba. No? Pinasok niya itong integer na value. Then, ginawang my double. No? And then, console write line, my double, and then console write line, my integer. No? So, basically, ang ginawa lang dito, uh, in-alternate lang. Basically, in-alternate lang eh. Pero, nilagyan nito, no? Pinasok to, itong integer. At, ayan, from 9.78, 18, run natin. Ayan, so basically from 10.18, bumaba ng 10, no? So, ayun ang purpose ng explicit casting. If you want a larger number into a smaller number. While sa implicit naman, if you want a smaller number to larger number. Ayan. So, that's it. Yun lang. Thanks for watching.